In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Afterpay to Big Cartel. This process is simple and should only take about 5 minutes to complete, with just a few straightforward steps along the way, making it easier for you to offer more payment options to your customers. Let's dive right in. To get started, fire up your preferred web browser and search for Big Cartel. This online platform is a great tool for artists and small business owners who want to sell their creations with minimal hassle. Once you've located Big Cartel, the next thing you'll want to do is either log in or sign up if you don't already have an account. If you're new to Big Cartel, signing up is quick and easy and will give you access to all the great tools they offer. Once you're logged into the dashboard, you'll see a range of options designed to streamline your online store operations. Here, look towards the top of your screen where you'll find your initials. Clicking on them will open up additional settings options. This is where we'll move into the payment settings for your store, a critical step in getting Afterpay set up. As you click on your initials, scroll down until you find the section labeled Get Paid. This area is essential because it dictates how your store handles transactions and processes payments. Look for a pencil icon next to Get Paid, indicating that you can edit these settings. Clicking on this icon will allow us to make the necessary adjustments to include Afterpay. In this payment settings area, you'll usually see options for both PayPal and Stripe. These are the standard payment processors used by Big Cartel. However, since we're focusing on adding Afterpay today, we'll want to select Stripe. Stripe support offers the gateway needed to integrate Afterpay into your payment options, allowing customers to break down their payments over time. Clicking on Stripe, you'll be presented with prompts that guide you through the process of integrating Afterpay. Follow these prompts carefully to ensure that everything is set up correctly. Usually, this will involve simply accepting terms and ensuring your Stripe account is set up to support Afterpay transactions. And that's all there is to it. By following these precise steps, your Big Cartel store will now support Afterpay, giving your customers more flexibility with their payments and potentially increasing your sales. Offering Afterpay can be a game changer for your store, catering to a broader audience that values payment choices. Thanks for watching, and I trust that this guide has been helpful in expanding your store's capabilities.